First of all, Latin America is very entrepreneurial. The culture is very receptive to entrepreneurship. And I think that's where it all starts. The human capital must be entrepreneurial and open to it. I think the world is getting more integrated, and I think the informality of the labor market will start to sort itself out. So I think that the idea that there's separate markets is now starting to come together, and the world, as Thomas Friedman once said, the world's getting more and more flat, that it just becomes one integrated market. So I think there's great opportunities in the bigger markets, international markets. What you need are good entrepreneurs, and good entrepreneurs start with a willingness to be entrepreneurial, which Latin America has shown, and willing to work hard and as we call it, grind, work through the hard work to be a successful entrepreneur, work through adversity and keep pushing. It's been my honor to be here in Peru, and hopefully it helps in some ways to make more entrepreneurs, better entrepreneurs, and build that entrepreneurial community that it will take to solve the problems and make Peru a better place and make the region a better place and make the world a better place.